One of the most common things people do when designing presentations is using bullet points, and that makes perfect sense because using bullet points is probably one of the most easy ways to sum up what it is exactly that you're trying to tell your audience. But let's be honest, it's usually not very attractive to look at a slide filled with bullets. In this clip, we will show you how to convert your bullets into something that's not only more attractive to look at, but also more effective for conveying your message. Are you ready?